Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Apple iPad users have learned that this handy mobile device provides a world full of opportunities, whether you're looking to play the best iPad games for solid entertainment or are focusing on your work, you can pretty much do anything. How to connect your Apple Pencil to the iPad. If you are using iPad 8th generation, iPad mini 5th generation, iPad 7th generation, iPad 6th generation, iPad Air 3rd generation, iPad Pro 12.9-inch 1st or 2nd generation, iPad Pro 10.5-inch, iPad Pro 9.7-inch, Apple Pencil 1st generation is for you. How to connect the 1st gen Apple Pencil to your iPad. Taking your Apple Pencil in hand, remove the back cap to expose the lightning output. Plug the Apple Pencil into your iPad's lightning connector, it's the same one you use to charge it. You will see a pop-up box appear, simply tap pair and you're all done. The Apple Pencil will remain connected to your iPad as long as it's not restarted, put in airplane mode, or connected to another iPad. If any of that happens, simply follow the steps above again to reconnect it. And if you are using iPad Air 4th generation, iPad Pro 12.9-inch 3rd generation and later, iPad Pro 11-inch 1st generation and later, Apple Pencil 2nd generation is for you. The newer and more feature-rich 2nd gen Apple Pencil is even easier to connect to an iPad. We will be relying on the iPad's magnetic connector for this. Taking the Apple Pencil in hand, attach it to the side of your iPad, the onboard magnetic connector will ensure it sticks. An Apple Pencil overlay will pop up along with a message to connect it to your iPad, simply press connect and you're done. Connecting the 2nd gen Apple Pencil to the iPad is almost effortless, yet everything is done. Yes, that is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.